Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your ward fees. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 3rd fiber to fabric part 5th. So let's start, dear students. Some breeds of sheep have only thick coat of fine under hair. Dear students, some sheep which are in a very good quality and they have a thick coat of fine under hair. They are also selective for the production of wool. These sheep yield good quality wool in a large amount. Such variety of sheep are selectively bred by choosing their parents to give birth. Dear students, what is the meaning of that? In case of animals, breeding is done to obtain animals with the desired characteristics. The two individuals of desired characteristics are selected as a parents. These are then crossed to obtain a new breed of animals having a desirable character. Both the parents. This is called what? Selective breeding. So let's read. To sheep that yield one good quality wool. The process of selecting parents and breeding them for obtain special characteristics in offspring is called what? Selective breeding. Dear students, in the simple way, I will tell you first we choose the two desired characteristics selected parents, then they crossed and obtain a new breed of animals having a desirable characteristics of both. This type of breeding is called what? Selective breeding. Dear student, with this process certain high yielding breeds has been raised. They have a thick coated of hair on their body which yield good quality of wool and large quantity of wool also. Now, when the sheep develops a thick coat of hair, its hair is shaved for obtaining wool. Dear students, once a rare sheep has a developed thick coated hair, it has shaved off for getting wool. Wool is obtained from the sheep by a long process. We will discuss now these process. Production of wool from sheep. The fleeces that we get from sheep is processed to make a wool and woolen clothing in the following steps. Dear students, I will tell you the steps. Wool is obtained from the sheep by the long process which involves various steps. First step is shearing. The process by which the fleeces of the sheep is removed is called shearing. Dear students, the fleeces of sheep along with the thin layer of a skin is peeled from the body of a sheep. It is done by manually with a large razor or the electric shearing machine. The process of removing hair from the body of a sheep is called what? Shearing. Now may be done either a clipper similar to that a barber uses a shape to man's beard, or a shearing machine. I earlier told you it is by the manually or with the razor, and also electric by the electrically machine also. Dear students, shearing does not hurt to sheep as the hair that are sheared are dead. Dear students, shearing does not hurt to the sheep because the uppermost layer of the skin of a sheep is dead. Sheep are usually sheared in the hot weather when they do not require their fur. Dear students, sheep are sheared in every summer so that they do not feel heat. It actually feels the sheep to survive in a hot season. Dear students, the hair of a sheep also gives a survival in a hot condition. That shearing process also gives them survival condition to survive in a hot condition. Their sheep grow again before the onset of winter and protect them from the cold weather. Now come to the second, dear student, scouring. The process by which the sheared fleeces is treated to remove dirt, and grease is known as scouring. Dear students, the process of washing of fleeces of sheep remove dust, dirt, and sweet grease, etc. are called what? Scouring. The sheared skin and the hair are thoroughly washed in a series of tubes to clean them. Dear students, fleeces of sheep contains, we know very well, dust, dirt, vegetable matter. These fleeces is thoroughly cleaned by washing with soap and detergent and a lot of water in a tank. Nowadays machines are used for this process. I will show you machines, scouring machine. Now dear students, come to the next step, sorting. Hair of different textures are separated from each other by the sorting. I will show you sorting process. Just see. Small fluffy hair are called burrs are removed. The wool fibers that remain are scoured once more and dried. Dear students, the process of separating long fine quality fleeces from the remaining inferior quality or broken piece are called what? Sorting. Dear student, after scouring, the wool is separated or sorted into a various category on the basis of their quality. Only the fleeces of long hair quality will be sent to the factory for the further process. Dear students, now hope you understood. Now come to the next, that is grading. The wool fibers are grouped based on their length, fineness, color, texture, and the other characteristics. This process is called grading. I will show you grading. Different grades of a wool are used to make different wool products. Dear student, the process of sorting the wool according to their length, select the wool according to their length, color, texture of fiber is called what? Grading. So dear students, hope you understood these steps. You have to read these steps. That is your homework. Dear students, stay home, be safe. Thank you.